Hey everyone, welcome back to the AI Explorer. Today, I'm testing something that is the future of video creation. I've been exploring AI video generators for months now, and I keep running into the same problems: inconsistent quality, limited control, or tools that promise cinematic results but deliver, well, not that. But then I discovered Higgsfield AI, and I had to put it through a real test. This isn't just another AI video tool. It's actually a complete platform that gives you access to multiple world-leading AI models in one place. And here's what caught my attention. They just launched Cinema Studio, which they're calling the first end-to-end filmmaking pipeline. So today, I'm going to show you precisely what Higgsfield can do. Test these different models side by side and see if this lives up to the hype. Let's dive in. All right, so I'm here on Higgsfield.ai, and right away, what stands out is that you're not locked into one model. You get access to Nano Banana Pro for images, Kling 2.6 audio for video with sound, wan 2.5 for more creative freedom, and Cinema Studio for the complete filmmaking workflow. Now, I want to be clear. Higgsfield doesn't have mobile apps. Everything happens right here on the website. Any apps you see on app stores claiming to be Higgsfield, not affiliated. This is the real deal, all browser-based. What I love about this approach is its flexibility, depending on what you're creating, whether it's a quick social media clip, a product visualization, or something more cinematic. You can choose the right tool for the job. Let me walk you through each of these models and show you what makes them different. Let's start with Nano Banana Pro. This is their image generation engine, designed to create production-ready visuals at up to 4K resolution. I'm going to generate an image with some text in it, because that's always been a huge pain point with AI image generators. I'm typing in a modern coffee shop storefront with a neon sign reading "Open 24/7, photorealistic, golden hour lighting." And there we go. Look at that text. It's actually legible. The letters are sharp, the spacing is correct. This is something most AI image tools still struggle with. But Nano Banana Pro goes beyond just text. It has what they call visual reasoning. So if I prompt it for 3 coffee cups on a wooden table, it actually counts correctly. If I ask for a whiteboard with equations, the math makes logical sense. And here's another feature I tested: identity consistency. I generated a character in one pose, then asked for the same character from different angles. The facial features and the outfit details stayed consistent. That's huge if you're trying to create any kind of character-driven content. You can also upscale lower-resolution images to crisp 4K, which means you can start rough and refine later without losing quality. Now, let's move to video. This is Kling 2.6 audio, and this is where things get really interesting. This isn't just video generation, it's multimodal. That means it creates the visuals and the audio simultaneously. I'm going to create a scene. Let me type. A woman walking through a busy city street at night, rain falling, ambient street sounds, and footsteps. Processing. And here's the result. Okay, listen to this. You've got the ambient street noise, the sound of rain, the footsteps syncing with her movement, all generated together.
Another cold night in the city.
I didn't have to add this in post.
I have to get home before the storm worsens.
I didn't need to find stock audio. This came out as one complete scene. This is full 1080p quality, and what really impressed me is the motion fidelity. Multiple objects are moving in the frame, and they're not warping or glitching. The camera movement is smooth. Everything feels coherent. And the prompt precision? Way better than what I've experienced with other tools. When I specify close-up, emotional tone, slow camera push-in, it actually understands and delivers that. For anyone creating content for YouTube, social media, or even client work, having native audio generation is a massive time saver. You're going from concept to complete scene in one pass. Next up, wan 2.5. This one's different. It's what they call uncensored and culture native. It handles bolder prompts, celebrity references, and stylized internet language that other models might reject. I can create content that feels more culturally current, more aligned with meme culture or trending aesthetics. And it still gives you audio, motion, and lip sync all in one render. The significant advantage here is the flexibility in time and format. You can generate up to 10 seconds of video, and you can choose your aspect ratio, whether you're making something for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube. And again, full 1080p output. What I appreciate about having wan 2.5 as an option is that not every project needs to be polished and corporate. Sometimes you need something edgy, something experimental, something that connects with a younger or more internet-native audience. That's where this shines. Now, the big one, Cinema Studio. This is Higgsfield's end-to-end filmmaking pipeline, and it is what sets them apart from most other AI video platforms. Here's how it works. You start with text to image to create your first frame. You have complete control over composition, lighting, and framing, just like you would on a real film set. Then, you transition that image into a video, and the whole thing stays consistent. You're not jumping between tools. You're not exporting and importing. It's one unified workflow. But here's what's really cool. Cinema Studio includes actual camera and lens profiles. You can select real cinema cameras, like ARRI or RED profiles, and real lens characteristics. These act as style anchors, keeping your shots consistent and giving you that film-like look. I tested this by creating a short narrative scene, 3 shots in sequence. I used the same camera profile across all 3, and the visual consistency was genuinely impressive. The mood, the texture, the cinematic tone, it all held together. This is built for people who care about visual grammar. If you understand cinematography and think in terms of shot composition and lighting ratios, this tool speaks your language. So, here's my takeaway. After spending real time with Higgsfield, this isn't just another AI video generator trying to do everything and succeeding at nothing. It's a platform that gives you the right tool for the job. All right, that's it for today's deep dive. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe to the AI Explorer for more AI tool breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.